Hi guys, and welcome back to Cookmas. Every single day in December I'm posting a new recipe, and today it's slow cooker chicken cordon bleu. So first you're going to mix a few things together. So I have some milk and a can of cream of chicken soup. And of course, full recipe, ingredients, directions, everything is down below in the description box. Then I'm going to add a few seasonings. I'm going to add some oregano, some black pepper, and some garlic powder as well. And then you take a whisk and whisk it together until it's really well combined, and then you're going to set that aside for a moment. So in my crock pot, I have 2 pounds of skinless chicken breasts. And I have some sliced deli ham. I'm going to put a piece of ham over each piece of chicken. It's okay if they overlap, or if you want to add a little bit more, that's fine. I just make sure there's like an even layer on top. And then you're going to do the same with some Swiss cheese. Make a nice even layer. And then you're going to dump the soup mixture on top. And smooth that out until it's as even as you can get it. And next I'm going to take some stovetop stuffing. Now it has to be the cornbread kind. And again, I'm going to sprinkle that on top and try to make an even layer. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to melt some butter and just kind of drizzle that over the top of it. And I'm going to put the lid on and cook it on low for 5 hours without ever opening the lid. And when it's done, it is so good. The chicken just falls apart. I will say when you scoop it out, because everything kind of falls apart, look at it. It doesn't look that appetizing. It kind of just looks like slop in a bowl, but trust me, it is so good. I make this recipe pretty often. Kids like it, husband likes it. Tastes even better as leftovers for some reason, but it's delicious. So definitely give this one a try. Very quick and easy and simple. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.